Hello guys, today I am going to start the beginner series of C# programming language. So my first tutorial is about variable. So what is variable? A variable is nothing but name given to a storage area that you can say that variable are used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in computer program. They also provide a way of labeling data with a descriptive name so our program can be understood more clearly by the reader and ourselves. So let's go. First of all, I will create and we will learn step by step with practical. Okay, let's talk about the template of variable. Let's create it. The first thing is required data type, and the second thing is name of variable, and the last thing is value for variable. Now what is data type? The common data type which is used during creation of variable is integer, float, string, char and the bool. These are the common data types which are used in creation of variable, bool, and the last one is string. These are common. There are a lot of data types like show, double, and there are a lot. Now these are the common data types. Let's start with example. There are two things in variable creation. The first is declaration of variable and the second thing is initialization of variable. First of all, we will talk about the declaration of variable. The declaration of variable is data type, any data type you can use. I will use integer and the name of the variable. This is the declaration of variable. Declaration of variable. Now what is the initialization of variable? When I will assign the value to this age variable, this is called the initialization of variable. Okay, these are the two concepts. First one is declaration of variable, the second thing is initialization of variable. You can also initialize it here like this. Now you can say that you have also declared and also initialized your variable. This is the way of declaration and initialization of variable. Now you can type here float a is equal to 1.0. This is the float, and float required one more thing, it's the f, means it's a float value, it's a point value like character or char. This is the convention. When we write a variable of character type, then we also put here these things. The next thing is string C. String is like my name is Ali. So this is the example of string, and the last thing is bool. And you know very well about bool is exist like true or false. So these are the variables, and you can display it by printing like print and check the printed value in console. I will create an empty game object and apply my script to this game object. Let's play it. Okay, you can see age is 10, like this one, age is 10, value of a is equal to what? Value of a is equal to 1. Let's see. This one 1.0. okay, that's nice. And the next thing is the value of c is my name is Ali. So that's the basic concept of variable. This is not so tricky. That's the beginning of any programming language, and when you will practice it, you will get more about it, and you can also search it by yourself. Okay, the lecture of variable is done. We will talk about other beginning topics in the next lecture. So goodbye for now. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.